Alright mateys, hey, you know, here at the Sailing Emporium they've got all these herbs planted and basil all over the place. So today let's do some Presto Pesto. It's really simple. Here's all we're going to need. Of course we're going to start off with our basil, and you take and pack 2 cups of it. That's what happens to be in here right now. 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, some garlic cloves, pine nuts or walnuts, I've got walnuts, and a cup of olive oil, and a food processor. Now here on the boat I don't have an electric one, and I made some pesto earlier, and this does a nice job. I mean, it's not going to be super creamy, but wait till you see how nice this turns out. So first thing we're going to do is start off with about half of the basil, half a cup of oil, a little bit of salt, and again I like to use the coarse sea salt and Himalayan salt. We just need a few sprinkles of that. Get this set on there. And a few pumps. You can see we're already starting to get a paste here. So now we're going to add the rest of our basil. Pump that a few more times. Alright, that's starting to look pretty good. Let's put our garlic in. Our nuts. The other half a cup of oil. We're not going to put the Parmesan in until the very last. Now we're going to cream this up a little bit more. Now to me, that's looking pretty darn good for a hand processor. I mean, it is a little chunky, but that's alright too. Now we're going to add our Parmesan. Give it a few more pumps. Guys, I think we are done. Yeah. Look at this. Fresh from the garden. I think that's pretty creamy. That's going to be great on pasta. It's going to be nice on toast with tomato. Well, until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends. Bon appetit.